so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. Just like you, I'm gonna be me. Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Hello friends! I'm so happy to see you today at Kujo's Kid Zone. My name is Miss Madison and today we're going to do another art lesson. Around where I live in Canada, it's starting to get really cold and the leaves are starting to change colors. Do you know what season it might be? It's fall, boys and girls. And this is what the leaves might look like in fall outside your house. They might turn yellow, red, maybe even a little bit orange, and they might even have a little bit of green on them still. Another thing that I always love to see in fall is all the beautiful pumpkins. You and me today are gonna draw a pumpkin together. What kinds of shapes do we need for a pumpkin? We might need a circle or an oval, and we might need a rectangle or a triangle for our little stem. So we're gonna use some of those shapes and we've got lots of nice colors to use for our art today. I'm gonna let you go get some paper and a pencil and some crayons and I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Okay everyone, it looks like you've got your pencil ready, your paper ready, your crayons ready, and I think we're ready to draw a pumpkin. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pencil and we're gonna make our pumpkin shape. It's gonna be kind of like a circle, but it's a little bit like a heart on top. It's a little bit lumpy. I want you to copy exactly what I'm doing with your pencil till you've got a nice, beautiful pumpkin. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use our rectangle that we talked about earlier, and we're gonna make a nice, big stem on the top of our pumpkin. Our next step is we're gonna use a triangle shape for a leaf. And then we can do some crazy vines. You can do as many crazy vines as you want, boys and girls. Our next step, our pumpkin needs a little bit of texture. It needs a little bit of shape to it. So we're gonna do some curvy lines on the outside of our pumpkin. And we're gonna do some curvy lines on the inside of our pumpkin. Good job, you're doing great. Okay, then we need a pumpkin patch. We need something for our pumpkin to sit in. I want you to go to the outside of your pumpkin and we're gonna draw a line so we can make some ground for our pumpkin to sit on. Great job, that's a nice pumpkin patch. The last thing we wanna do with our pencil, boys and girls, is we wanna make a nice, beautiful moon for our pumpkin. So we're gonna pick a corner of our paper and we're gonna do a curvy shape just like this. And we're gonna do another curvy line right inside it so we can get a nice moon for our pumpkin. Good job, that looks beautiful. The next thing we're gonna do, boys and girls, is we're gonna put our pencil away and we can make sure to get our crayons ready because we're gonna need to color our pumpkin a little bit. What color are pumpkins? Oh, I think I heard somebody say orange. We're gonna grab an orange crayon or an orange marker. You can use whatever you want. And I want you to give your pumpkin a little bit of color. Now, boys and girls, you can use some different colors for your pumpkin. You can use some reds on your pumpkin. You can use some yellows on your pumpkin. So I'm gonna do a little bit of orange. I'm gonna do a little bit of yellow on the bottom because we want our pumpkins to have some different colors on them. And then I'm gonna even do a little bit of red in my pumpkin. Good job. What color should our leaf be? And our stem and our vines? We're gonna wanna pick up our green crayon for that part. Good job, boys and girls. And you can even do your vines if you want. That's perfect. And for your pumpkin patch, we can do green, we can do brown if you have a brown crayon. I don't have a brown crayon, so I'm gonna do a nice, beautiful green pumpkin patch. And when we look up at the moon at night, boys and girls, It's really, really bright and it looks almost kind of yellow. So I'm going to use my yellow crayon when I color my moon. And if you have a blue crayon, you can even use your blue crayon to color the sky for your pumpkin. Good job, that looks amazing. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, that's a beautiful pumpkin. You have beautiful colors, beautiful shapes, and you really got into the fall spirit for that one. I am so excited and already looking forward to the next time I get to see you on Kujo's Kid Zone. Bye!
If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. For more information about our show, please visit us at kujoskidzone.com. Bye for now.
So big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector prodigy.
Alright.